Hello kids, welcome to my channel Course Crux Kids. Today we are going to read simple sentences starting with I like. I like. I like means मुझे पसंद है. Let's read some sentences to understand this. I like pizza. I like pizza. मुझे पिज़्ज़ा पसंद है. Your turn now. I like candy. I like candy. मुझे कैंडी पसंद है. Your turn now. I like flowers. I like flowers. मुझे फूल पसंद हैं. Your turn now. I like rainbow. I like rainbow. मुझे इंद्रधनुष पसंद है. Your turn now. I like cookies. I like cookies. मुझे कुकीज पसंद हैं. Your turn now. I like rain. I like rain. मुझे बारिश पसंद है. Your turn now. I like books. I like books. मुझे किताबें पसंद हैं. Your turn now. I like to jump. I like to jump. मुझे कूदना पसंद है. Your turn now. I like to dance. I like to dance. मुझे नाचना पसंद है. Your turn now. I like to read. I like to read. मुझे पढ़ना पसंद है. Your turn now. I like to sing. I like to sing. मुझे गाना पसंद है. Your turn now. I like to play. I like to play. मुझे खेलना पसंद है. Your turn now. I like to run. I like to run. मुझे दौड़ना पसंद है. Your turn now. I like swimming. I like swimming. मुझे तैरना पसंद है. Your turn now. I like painting. I like painting. मुझे चित्रकारी पसंद है. Your turn now. Well done kids. You all did a great job. Kids, now you can revise all the sentences together in one go. Read these sentences one by one yourself by pausing this video. Amazing kids! You have successfully learned the sentences starting with I like. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.